Hello, welcome to our channel, Strong Foundation Spanish Lessons. This is Teresa.
And this is Francisco. The objective of this series is to learn how to correctly pronounce words in Spanish to better speak and read it. We'll practice with short sentences where the consonant we are studying today will be at the beginning, middle, and/or at the end of the word.
By learning the basics, you will gradually learn how to read words correctly and better implement them into your Spanish lessons. We recommend watching the series from the beginning, starting with our video on the alphabet in Spanish. The link is in the description.
In this video, we will learn how to combine the consonant G with the 5 vowels.
Listen and then repeat the consonant G in Spanish. Ready? G. Again. G. Great job! Now, let's combine the consonant G with the vowels. Repeat after me. Ga, G, Hi, Go, Gu. Great job!
As you were able to hear, there are 2 different sounds. Were you able to identify them?
Ga, Go, y Gu start with the sound G. And as you notice, we didn't say Ge or Gi. We said He and Hi, which have the English H sound. By adding the letter U in the middle of He and Hi, we'll be able to match the sound G. Here we have some examples for you, where we can practice the sounds of Ge and Gi. Lucky es muy juguetón y ahora quiere aprender a tocar la guitarra.
Lucky is so playful, and he now wants to learn how to play the guitar.
Now, let's read a sentence with a syllable ga, like in gatos. Él tiene 2 gatos.
He has 2 cats.
Next, repeat after me. G. Again, G. Very good. Let's read a sentence with a syllable G, like in gelatina. Me gusta comer gelatina.
I enjoy eating Jell-O. And if you liked the video so far, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to turn on notifications.
If you know someone is having trouble learning Spanish, please share our videos. Next, repeat after me. He. Again, he. Great job! Let's read a sentence with a syllable he, like in gitanos. Los gitanos están bailando.
The gypsies are dancing.
Now, repeat after me. Go. Again, go. Nice job. Let's read a sentence with a syllable go, like in gozaron. Ellos gozaron sus vacaciones.
They enjoyed their vacations.
Next, gu. Repeat after me. Gu. Again, gu. Well done. Let's read a sentence with a syllable gu, like in gusano. Él vio un gusano.
He saw a worm. That'll be all for today.
And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below and click the bell icon to turn on notifications. You don't want to miss any of our new videos. We'll be uploading one video per week. Hasta la próxima!